Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can sign in into the latter application. Now to do that, you need to tap on the application and open the application first. When you're at the home page of the app, you need to tap on login. Tap on login over here. Now to log in, you need to provide the account credential, that is, you provide your email address and then password. Type in the email address at first, then type in the password. Then you tap on login. There's a forgot password option, that is for when you forgot your account credential, that is password. You can tap on that and you will be provided with the further instruction for how you can recover them. So tap on login. And just with that, you will be logged in into the latter account of yours. You make sure that you type in the correct account credential, that is a password and the username or email. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.